Are you getting a file upload error in Pixlr? Maybe your image won't upload, the upload gets stuck, or Pixlr keeps showing an error message. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Pixlr file upload errors in 2026 with several easy solutions. So let's get started. First, make sure your image is in a supported format. Pixlr typically works best with common formats like JPG, PNG, WBP, and a few others. Large files can sometimes fail during upload. Try compressing the image or reducing its resolution before uploading it again. Next, rename the file and remove any special characters, symbols, or extremely long file names. Yeah, simple file names often prevent unexpected upload problems. Refresh the Pixlr page and attempt the upload again. Temporary browser or session issues can interrupt the upload process. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause uploads to fail. Run a quick speed test and make sure your connection is stable. Stored browser data can sometimes interfere with file uploads. Clear your cache and cookies, restart your browser, and then try uploading again. Some extensions, especially privacy tools and ad blockers, may interfere with uploads. Temporarily disable them and test Pixlr again. If the upload still fails, switch to another browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari may handle uploads differently depending on your system. Try uploading another image file. If the second file works, the original file may be corrupted or contain unsupported data. I mean, sometimes the problem is the file itself. If none of these fixes work, Pixlr may be experiencing temporary server issues. Check official announcements or community reports to see if other users are reporting similar problems. And that's how to fix Pixlr file upload errors in 2026. Most upload problems can be solved by checking file formats, reducing file size, or clearing browser data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.